Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can see which apps are using your location in the background. Now in order to do it, just simply open settings of your iPhone. In the settings, scroll down until you see this option of privacy and settings, privacy and security. Just simply tap over there, and here you can see this option of location services 26 while using. Now here you can see which apps are using your location services. For example, the Flipkart has my location access while I use it. The Instagram have this one, and the Zomato has the feature, and the Amazon have the location access. Now in order to do it, if I want to turn off the location access to some particular application, I can directly hit this one, and just simply hit this never to make this off if I want to. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.